me off then. The second problem that I want to talk to you, well, not problem, second thing that was sort of stuck in the works that was getting really tricky to get to you guys is the curl mask. So the curl mask was the first of the formulated products that we had issues with. We need to make sure that it does work and it needs to be compatible and all of those things, and it does take time with our manufacturer. We're UK made. It's just a bit tricky. But I have a date. I have a date. I have a curl mask date. The curl mask is coming. It is being, it's already been scheduled. So yes, scheduled for delivery. I'm just waiting for a call to confirm that time. As soon as it drops, as soon as it reaches the fulfillment center, depending on what address we're at, as soon as it drops, they will be shipped straight out to you. Yay! I can't tell you the relief. Like, it just takes too long to get them to these points. But the curl mask, and I love the curl mask. The whole point of redoing these treatments or reformulating these treatments, and I've got 10 seconds to tell you, is because we now don't have to take time out to do hair treatments. These treatments you can put in with your wash day, so you've not got to try and line it up with your life and your socials to be able to do a treatment. And this date, I will let you know in the comments.